So Valentine's Day is a little special for you this year. Tell us why.
Very special. I don't have a date, but I got a show coming out, which is...
I would think that's a date with your television.
A date with TV, yes. No, it's going to be good. It's great. It's called Vinyl. It's coming out on February 14th. I'm so excited.
I mean, how often did you get to spend time with your executive producer, Mick Jagger?
They came in and out. They were always facilitating. Amazing people. Martin Scorsese and Mick Jagger, both of them. I mean, they work so well together, and they've been working together for so many years, and this is the perfect project for both of them to work on together. It's amazing.
Do you have a shorthand that you guys get to sort of watch them talk to each other with?
Oh man, I mean, no, I've seen them like talk to one another like every now and then, but it's not long enough to where I could pick up a shorthand. But like, I don't know, if I could be a fly on a wall in a room, that'd be amazing.
So tell us a little bit about your character.
My name in the show is Clark Morrell. I'm a junior A&R rep at American Century Records, which is our fictional label. And I like Clark because in a job that's historically very cool, like being a record exec, he is the least cool person in the office.
Always one.
There's always one. There's always one little weasel, and that's me. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! So do you get to interact with Bobby a lot? Because he's
Yeah, no, I mean Bobby's in almost every scene. He's the lead of our show. He's our anchor. He's our rock. He's amazing. And yeah, I've had quite a few scenes with him. It was all amazing. I learned so much from the guy.
The silly question everyone asks about the Zoe is like what your relationship with actual vinyl is.
With actual vinyl was my thing got started kind of recently as a rap gift. They gave us these briefcases that had a little record, a little turntable within them, and I just kind of started. I got Loaded by the Velvet Underground, Plastic Beach Gorillas, which I know is a more modern thing, but it got me through high school, and Elvis Presley. We got a lot of that going through my apartment right now.